bed.
You're not used to playing it slower than 170. That's the
Yeah, it
problem.
got a lot slower after Larry ended.
Let's
Start it over.
One, two,
You start.
one,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
We ought to pick a pace that you can actually do,
Yeah,
rather than
simply
play a
stop.
pace and
Yeah.
then change gear.
Right.
Well, I thought I did play that last part.
It sounded really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. that
Just
sounded
faster than you wanted to, but not as fast as we started.
good. Yeah, right. But the
Yeah.
duet sounds really nice, I think.
Yeah, it does.
And part of what threw me off, in addition to not being prepared in general, was I had forgotten
Right, Gary
that
doesn't
Gary
do
doesn't
that one.
play. It's
Yeah.
like I'm sitting there. Well, okay, wait, Gary's coming in. No, he didn't.
Whoa, sorry.
Well, actually, so I thought you've been working on this, so I was
Yeah,
like,
I have.
not sure if
Ready
he's going to
yet,
play it
are
or
you?
not.
Yeah,
So
I
what
kind of
did
thought you were just daydreaming. Well, yeah. I'm gonna take another sip of my drink.
So are you actually are you ready to play it now? Because I just have
I
written
need
it
to-
down, you're not doing it, so
Well,
that's why I
let's
said that.
let's keep it that way.
Okay.
I'm going to practice it some more with
Okay.
real, real play or whatever it is, real play.